Okay, so we're going to do a fun background. We're using some multi-surface teal and some Prussian blue and some licorice. Okay, so those are multi-surface. They got a sealer in it. They get a really pretty color. Okay, so what I want to do is I can I can wet this brush. And then I'm going to pick up, this is a 11 by 14. I'm going to pick up with my 2-inch flat brush and I'm going to go back and forth and get a deep background. Okay. So I'm going to start with Prussian. Okay. And then, so it's slip, slap, slip, slap to get that. And I want some on my edges too, but right now, so it doesn't get blue everywhere. I'm just going to do the top, and when I get through, I'll come back and touch up the sides. Okay, guys? So you can see as it touches the canvas, when I slip slap backwards, it picks up a little bit of the white of the canvas. And I just wanted this pretty dark, rich background to get started with, okay? Okay. Oops. Well, a lot more blue. That's a lot more blue. Okay. There's some little pieces in the paint. We don't want that. Okay, so what we want to do, guys, is accomplish a really fun look here. All right, so I'm going to Prussian blue. Now I'm going to keep that Prussian blue in my brush as I pick up some more color. Okay, so now what happens? See the nice color? Now I'm going to Prussian blue and some licorice. All right, so I'm going to come that around in some of these areas here. Okay, I just need some deep, nice color mixed with that blue. So I'm using licorice. All right, then I want some pretty teal in there. So, all right, and I think I need to get another brush because I'm not going to get that black out of there soon enough. So let me pick up another number 2 flat. All right, so now I'm going to go into this teal and I'm going to put some pretty color across here in this teal. How's that sound? Okay. And I don't think you're getting the color as cool as it looks on here. This looks like that's light blue, but it's a really cool teal color. I guess because of the glare. And I want to put some pretty red and stuff in it. So, and orange. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry this for a few minutes. Let's just put some of these right there to hold this up. And I'm going to blow dry it with my hair dryer so that we can jump in with these pretty bright colors. So it's a little tacky, but it won't let the red and yellows and all turn funky colors. So that's a good thing, right? So I'm going to put this here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put out these great colors. So I've got moon yellow, which is going to be bright. And then I'm going to put in some pure orange, okay? Okay. And apple red. Okay, so let's just get a little bit of a floating medium. Now, what we're going to do is use a 3/4 inch flat. How's that sound? Okay, so let's start up here with the first flower. All right, so what I want you to see is I'm going to get pure orange and moon yellow. All right, and on the orange, I'm going to get a little bit of red. Okay, so I'm going to scoop down here. All right, I'm going to pick up where I want this to go. All right, so let's try with orange first. Okay, and I'll come in with red after. Let's just try this first. Because when you're on a black background, you're not too sure. Okay, so do you see what happened there? I'm sliding up, wiggle, wiggle, lift, wiggle, and come back down. All right, let's do another one off the edge. Okay, and then we will come back. So I'm just going to try doing this with the orange first, and then we'll come back and add red, okay? And so what's going to happen right here, we're going to come up here, up here. All right. Now, I'm going to pick up some more yellow and orange. And I'm trying to get the base of this one. So the base of this one's going to come here. And we're going to come right up here. Get this orange. We roll it. And then we roll it. And it's going to be really pretty when I get all the red in there. So what does this sound like? Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this one. We're going to stop there. All right. They don't look like much yet, but they will. All right. So right here, I'm going to do one more. And you have to understand yellow and orange are transparent. So we're going to put the pretty red, which is kind of transparent, but it helps when we have these other colors. Okay. And we're going to come right in here. We're going to bring that around. And we're going to come way out here and bring that. So what we have to do here is come up in here. We're going to do the same thing in here. This is just kind of like a fun project. I hope you guys will like it. So putting all this red in here is going to come through here as I'm going to dry it again. And then we're going to add that in there. Then in here, there's a couple of buds. And right in here is a bright one. All right. Now I'm going to dry this because now we've got to um, take and add red in there. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the floating medium. I'm going to add a teeny bit of licorice to some red. That's too much. Okay. So right in here, we're going to come right in the middle here and add a little bit of that deepness right in here. Okay, and a little bit of depth in here. Okay, so just to make this look good, I'm going to take floating medium, and we take floating medium, and then we come here and we get the red. And what I want to do is put some pretty red in there. Look how pretty that looks. Okay, so right along here. All right, so let's wipe that off, and now let's get some more medium, and let's get, see, we're putting that red all up in there. So look how pretty that turns out with that red. Oh my goodness. And then out here, all right, every once in a while we need a little bit more yellow, but isn't that kind of fun? And you see it wasn't difficult. You're just going to take your petals out and come back in. And then I can come in here with a little bit of yellow. Look how bright that yellow is in there. There you go. Okay. Now, there are a few specks and stems that we need to put in here. But let's look at, right here we go. And use script liner. There we are. All right, so we're going to come in here with the licorice. And wait a minute. I want to make some red with black little specks. Okay, so we're going to keep going in here. And they're little specks in the lily. All right. And then same thing here. And then the stamens we're going to make black so they'll show up. Okay. So now I'm going to come in here and get the licorice. And before we go any further, we're going to come right here. And we're going to come right here. See how I'm coming around here? Isn't that kind of fun? So we're going to take this one and this one, and we're going to bring it to right there. And we also can take this black up here. So same thing here. It's real contemporary and loose, right? So we're going to come right here. And we're coming down. This is a fun, quick project, but it looks like you really know what you're doing. And it's kind of contemporary and fun. All right, that's okay. So now I'm going to do some stamens. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and then another one here. Okay, that's pretty good, huh? All right, and to finish this off, this is what I'm going to do. Can you see all the black and everything? So I am going to take my fan brush and I'm going to go into the water and I'm going to mix it, make it inky so that when I touch it, this is a fun little relax and paint project, I'm telling you. So you're just going to take another brush and you're going to look not like this, but you're going to lay it flat and you're going to splatter red. Okay. I'm getting it everywhere. Isn't that pretty? I'm excited for y'all to try it. See, I can sling it thicker. I do this on clothes too, so it makes it really nice. All right. So there you go. Sign it and share it. Lilies. Isn't that pretty? Thank you guys. See you next time. Please subscribe. Try joining the membership for a month and see what you think. And I'll see you next time.